Hello friends, this is a pick a card reading and the question is what your partner misses about you, right? So here again we have two options. As you see, this is the first option and this is the second option. So choose any one option, right? So let me begin with the first option. So let's see what your partner, whoever choose pile number one, miss about you, what they miss about you, right? So we have a lots of card here, but I want to shuffle again. So let's see what your partner miss about you. So first card we have a Queen of Wands, Five of Cups, this person really miss you. I'm not taking that much cards. So what your partner miss about you? Five of Cups. They definitely have a lot of regrets that is related to you. This person definitely miss you. But let's see what they miss about you. So what they are missing about you. So there is some sort of a codependency issues or some sort of a like strong magnetic attraction that this person is like feeling like addictive to you. They are like addictive of you, right? Some sort of a that kind of a codependency kind of a feeling that this person toxic energies, codependency, attraction, lust, whatever, but they see you like you are this beautiful queen. You are very attractive. They are definitely strong magnetic attraction that is like in excess. That is why there is a devil card. This attraction that they feel for you, that is like insane. Strong attractive energy they are feeling towards you, and they are also at the same time feeling sad, regretting upon something, some toxic behaviors for pile number one. Your partner right now in a very low vibration, and this person is like continuously missing you. They feel a strong magnetic attraction towards you, and they are feeling obsessed like something toxic energy. They feel obsessed or maybe they are possessive, whatever, but that kind of a negative energy they are in. So let's see what your partner miss about you. See, Knight of Wands. This person have a lot of passion for you, inside a lot of passion, and they just wanna come towards you very fast because of their lust, because they are very much attracted towards you, and that is like in a excess manner, that is not fruitful, that is like a toxic. That much level of obsessiveness is always destructive some sort of a way in this connection, because you are like a queen of wands according to your partner. So let me take one more card. Why they miss you, what they miss about you, right? So we have the Hermit card. Bottom of the deck, Ace of Swords. So see what I am getting, that maybe you are kind of a person who having a strong inner wisdom, right? You are a very spiritual person and you are looking for the enlightenment, the light that you have within you. That is also a reason of attraction. That's why this person is continuously thinking about you, about they are obsessed that how you look. Your physical attraction is there. They are like depressed, strong, toxic energy that they are in, a lot of passion they feeling for you, they want to come towards you. And the hermit card is like you also have a spiritual light within you, some sort of a wisdom that you also carry in your personality in some sort of a way, that is also like they are missing. So they are missing that how confident, how beautiful you are. And they also milling oh sorry they are also missing the knowledge that you have, because you are the source of knowledge and guidance. According to this person, they are like, if they want any advice in their life, they do come to you. So some sort of a knowledge, some sort of a guidance, some sort of a way, in some sort of a way you definitely show to this person. You are like a mentor, or maybe you just simply inspire this person in some sort of a way. So they are missing or lacking that kind of a qualities or a person in their life, right? So yes, this person definitely miss you, and they miss you for your knowledge, for your inner wisdom, your light, right? So yeah, this is what I'm getting. And the bottom of the deck we have the ace of sword. So maybe when you communicate with this person, you say something, maybe it's your words that is continuously lingering in their mind, but something about conversation, maybe this person simply miss a good conversation with you, a lovely conversation with you, or something related to conversation communication. So they do miss that how you talk, your way of talking, right? That how you express your love, so something related to communication. So let me take some messages from your partner, some messages from your partner, what they want to tell you. I have never forgotten you, even though you think I have. If you think that this person forget you, so that is not the true. They still thinking about you. So let me take more messages. What they want to tell you. I should. So we have two messages here. Sorry, three. Okay. I should have been more honest with you about how I was feeling at the time. So they are simply, your partner is simply hiding their feelings, their true feelings. This person not representing or expressing their love and emotions towards you. They are just hiding, and they are not forget you, right? So they are just creating a some sort of a illusion that they don't care, but in reality this person do care about you. So another messages that we have, seeing you reminds me of the things I know deep down, and that's not always easy to deal with. So this is the another message, I am reminded of you constantly. So this person is like constantly thinking about you. And the last message, that seeing you reminds me of the things I know deep down, and that's not always easy to deal with, right? So you always remind them of something that they are not feeling comfortable to deal with, right? So let me take any angel message for your love story, any angel guidance. So we have be yourself. We have two cards here. Be yourself. This situation calls for you to be your authentic self, which is the basis for your personal power. So this is like a, you need to just focus upon your inner work, on self love. So this is the like the guidance for my beautiful viewers, right? Another message you have, this is like hidden behind this card. Do some research. You need more information about the situation. Look into it further before proceeding. Before taking any final decision, do investigate, right? Gather more information about the situation. So this is the two advice messages for my beautiful pile number 1. So let me take in which kind of a energy your partner is still in, what kind of a energy they are in. So let's see the current energy. anxiety, pain, third party for some. So definitely this person is going through some anxiety, depression, they are in a low vibration, and definitely maybe there is a chances of third party. So this person feel the pain, right? Whether they show you or not, they are basically hiding their pain. Another message: attraction, beautiful physique, eyes, face, lips. So definitely they see you like a this beautiful attractive queen. So they definitely feel that you are very attractive. The last message: planting seeds, transformative. So maybe this person is going through some sort of a transformational phase, some changes going on in this person's life, right? So this is the short scenario for my beautiful pile number one. Let me take one song. So sorry. So let me take one song for my beautiful pile number one. So what song we have for pile number one? Let's see. No matter what. So this is the song. No matter what. So this is the song. If you want, then check out. And let's move on to pile number two. So if you like, then if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. So let me move on to pile number two. So if you pile number two, then let's begin with your reading. So for my beautiful viewers, whoever choose pile number two, so let's see what your partner missing about you, what they miss about you. So what your partner missing about you? Four of swords, page of pentacles, page of wands, five of wands, the fool card. Let me take two more cards. What your partner miss about you, what they're missing about you. So okay, we have two more cards, and the bottom of the deck: eight of swords, ace of sword, and the two of sword. See, this person is like in a resting mode. When this person is not contacting you, they are taking some time, space. They are simply just thinking about you, or they try to heal all the wounds, right? If they are going through some difficult phase or pain, then this person just simply try to heal the situation, and they are continuously thinking about you. Even when they are going to sleep, they always thinking about you. And the thing is that this person is having a little bit of immature kind of a energy. This person don't have any something solid to offer you right now. Only they have a small text message or something, or they are still thinking to offer you a small text message, and that is like a very beginning state, younger stage, right? So this is like an immature kind of energy. They don't feel that they have enough to offer you currently. Next, again we have a page, we have two pages. Next we have a page of fan. This person definitely feel the passion for you, but the thing is this person is confused because there is a two of swords. This person is like overwhelming by their emotions, and maybe they are on a crossroads. So this person not able to make a final decision about something, so they are feeling confused. They are not able to clearly see that which way they want to go. Two pages again representing, for some there is a maybe a chances of third party situation, and that's why there is a two of swords, that they have to make a choice between two person, right, in their life. So something like that for some. Or on the second scenario, if this is there is a no third party situation, then this is their energy, that they have the passion for you, they do want to offer you, but that is like a immature kind of energy, a lot of immature kind of energy that this person do have. Because of their immature kind of a behavior. There is some sort of a conflicts going on, whether arguments between both of you, or whether this is like a inner conflict, because this person is continuously thinking. They are continuously in a process of thinking. This person is just thinking. They are not putting any effort or action. They are still like confused, lots of conflicts, maybe in real life, maybe they have mental conflicts, right? So some sort of conflicts that they are experiencing related to this connection. Next card, we have a fool card. So fool card is again representing that this person do want to take a risk related to this connection. They want to start each and everything again. Ace of sword, this card again representing that they want a new beginning with you. Ace of sword, that is based on the clarity, based on the truth, but they are thinking about this new beginning, and they do want to take action in this scenario, but they are trapped into their own mind. Bottom of the deck, eight of swords, this person is totally trapped behind. If this person come out from this trap, then there is a beautiful happy period. This sunshine is like waiting for your connection, but this person is like totally trapped into their own mind. So what they are missing about you is like they are continuously thinking about a new beginning, but still they have a lot of conflicts in their mind, lot of confusion that is going on in their mind. They do want to take action. So this is all they are thinking about this connection. The question for the today's reading is like what they are missing about you. So maybe this person is just simply in a thinking mode. They are like missing you, yes. They miss all the time, good time period that you both spend together, but there are like positive and the negative. Sometimes they think positive, sometimes this person like thinking negative things, right? So that is like a inner conflicts that's going on into in this person's life, but they do want to take a charge. They do want to come out from this kind of a illusions, trap, mental trap. So let me take some messages from your partner, what they want to tell you. So this person is like missing you, and they are continuously thinking about you, and they want some sort of a new beginning with you, but there are some confusions and mental traps, and they also miss like you are a free spirit. They also miss your like inner child. Like maybe you are the younger one. What I'm getting, you are the younger one, and you exhibit that kind of a quality of like a inner child that this person do remember, and your adventurous or free spirit kind of a behavior that this person is like continuously missing about you. The way you talk, because communication card is here, so they also like the way you talk, your innocence, your childlike behavior, and like you are ready to do anything. You are ready to start anything in your life. Like you are always so excited to start something new, a lot of passion that you have. So yeah, I am reminded of you constantly. So this person definitely thinking about you continuously. They continuously thinking about you. Message from your partner. Okay, we have a lots of cards, but I am taking just two more cards. I miss you regardless of how things seems. So this person definitely miss you. I am sorry I could not do right to you. So maybe in the past this person is not doing the right thing, right? So let me take one angel card for my beautiful viewers. Any angel guidance? Perfect timing. This is the right time to move forward. So this is the message for you to move forward in your life. This is the right time to move forward. And another message you have, assertiveness. Stand up for your belief and only say yes if you really want to. If you really want something, just say yes, right? Stand up what you believe, right? So these are the two messages. So let me take the current energies of your partner, that in which kind of energy they are in. Regretting upon things, something exhausting. So this person is definitely regretting upon something, and that is like toxic for them. Another message: attraction, beautiful physique, eye, face, lips. So that is like a little bit attraction that this person feeling for you. Let me take one more card. Their current energy: mental trap, illusion, puzzle pieces. See, a lot of puzzle. This person is like totally into their headspace, their mind. They are trapped into their own thoughts, positive thoughts, negative thoughts. So this person is like continuously trapped into in their mind that what they want to do. So they are confused. The simply thing is that your partner is confused right now. So let me take one song. Let's see the song. No promises. So this is the song No Promises. So if you do like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.